Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Twin Flame and Spiritual Guidance. How are you? I hope all of you are doing very well. Today's topic is do they love you? Your person, he or she, regardless of any gender, regardless of any zodiac sign, regardless of any relationship status, any specific age. This can be your and your person energy reading, okay, that whether your person likes you or not, his intentions, actions, whatever it is right now, or he loves you or she loves you or not. So, and we will see the advice and guidance from for you from your angel as well. So for your ease, I have already pulled these three piles, and literally by God, I don't have yet opened these piles too. So with you I will see these piles. Okay, there is option number 1, option number 2, and option number 3. You may pick one pile to which you drawn most. For your ease, I am going to put on these cards, brooches with different colors, so you may pick one brooch for you as well. There is the Ferozi brooch, the blue and Ferozi color brooch. Okay, this is the number 1 option. And there is the golden in red stone brooch, so this is the second option. And there is the third option, the silver brooch. Okay, so you may pick one. So if you have not yet chosen, or you have some issue to choose, or feeling some confusion, so take a pause in that video, and when you pick your pile, then of course you may watch this video. Okay, so shall we start? Hopefully we can. So let's see. First of all, I'm going to unfold your messages, what the universe giving you messages. Okay, your angel messages for you. Miracles. Okay, unexpected things is coming. Healer. Okay, it's definitely you got some problems, some issues as well, so there is healer because of that reason. Okay, there is heart to heart conversation. Honestly, discuss your feelings with each other. Okay, so let's see, guys, their feelings. I don't I just slipped one card, so I'm picking here. First of all, their feelings, the fully, their thoughts, waves of spells, their intentions, 4 of challenges, and their actions, seeker of spells, and do they love you? So there is probably more energy about the Mars, about Sagittarius, Leo, and Aquarius. And there is Libra sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius energies too. But regardless of any zodiac sign, this can be your person's energy. So his feelings is quite changing. Stuckness is coming out, and from the stuckness actually he is coming out. So changes is coming in his life, and he is coming out from stagnation, some blockages that was stuck him, that was blocked him, or restrict him from taking actions or doing something. Actually, it all these all things is going to be trashed or over, and his feelings quite getting changes. Okay, there is some changes and twist in his feelings. His thoughts is quite magnificent, passionate, strong, appealed towards you. He literally drawn towards you. Your person is feeling passion for you. So enthusiasm, you know, he have a urge, a lot of urge to have you, to hold you. okay, to manifest this relationship. His thoughts is full of passion with you. He likes you, your way of dressing, your chit chat, your friendly manner, your communication, your physical attraction. All these things actually appeal your person, he or she, whatever. But your person likes you a lot and feeling a lot of passion. You are very hot for that person. So what his or her uh, intentions? Currently, I'm seeing that your person took up a distance or took some rest. Maybe he got some stuck situations, some bad timing, some confusion, some betrayal, some sorrows, wounds. So he would take some time, and his intentions is meditating, thinking a lot about you. But his intentions say, don't do anything, hold on, okay. So it's just like that. So he can be mute, he can be think a lot about you, meditate a lot about you, but he can be retreat right now. But I'm not seeing that he is breaking up with you. He is like uh, taking a pause, but his energy is quite passionate for you, because his action is to coming towards you, take actions, take planning of coming towards you, have adventures with you. He's like a free spirit. But I must say, this person don't have any sense of commitment. First of all, this person feels like to be free, feel free, and want to have adventures with you, want to have spend some time with you, have date with you, have enjoying with you. That's all, okay. Is the person who likes risk, who likes on and off relationship, but no commitment yet. So this person is likes you or not likes you. I must say, this person have some appealings towards you, attraction towards you. So this person likes you a lot. But this is not like the emotional development. I'm not seeing emotional development. I am seeing uh, attraction, a lot of attraction. Even without you, is your person is turned on, okay. With your thoughts, your person is turned on. So it seems like that. Even though I'm seeing here 11 energy, but it's not about the twin flame energy. I can't say with all this spread, this is not like twin flame energy. But this person appeals towards you a lot. So this is all about the attraction, passions, and yeah, physical attractions. So your energy, what it is, your angel guides you. Have faith that your miracles is on its way. Your prayers have been answered. Surrender the bow. So your some good things, pleasant things, unexpected things is coming to your life. So get ready for these changes. Soon this will come towards you, okay. And healings is required here, because you have powerful healing gifts. Have faith in your abilities. Stay true to your path as a healer. So you are healing, or this person, your love interest, might help from you so to heal. Maybe you are doctor, your person is doctor, or empath, or psychologist, or understanding other person's problems, issues, or nurse, or some social work, or something like a supporter. So there is the need to heal. First of all, if you have some problem in you, or if your person has some problem in that relationship, actually both of you want to heal. First of all, heart to heart conversation, honestly discuss your feelings with each other. So there is a lot of attraction, but need to develop in emotions, okay. So you need to discuss yourself with your person, and whatever you like, you want to share, you just need to discuss. You need to talk with that person. Both of you need to talk and clear yourself with each other, whatever you likes, your dislikes, your desires about this relationship. Okay, so I don't say that this is the love, but I can say this is the attraction. This can be developed into the love. Okay, so hope this reading makes sense. Best wishes for you guys. Please do subscribe, share and like the channel if you like my work, and stay tuned with me, okay, with this channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Okay, here is the option number 2. The people who picked deck number 2, pile number 2, there is your option. Or the people who picked red and golden brooch, there is your reading, guys. Let's see first of all your messages. Passion is there. Wow, this is beautiful that passion is there. So what's your angel speaking? Prosperity and compassion. Wow, this is absolutely about love. Look, your person's energy. 4 of visions, seeker of challenges, the chariot, 3 of wands, keeper of challenges. Okay, so first of all, let me see that your person's energy. There is Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Cancer is very important sign here, and there is Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo. Yes. So what I'm seeing here, your person's feelings is literally disappointed, feeling boring and not having fun, and he's not accepting or not accepting or not accepted by someone. It seems like feeling dejected, rejected, or boring to some extent. So he's avoiding to see the beautiful things in that relationship. Okay, but yes, this is like that. He is meditating a lot, observing a lot, but missing the good things, plus points in that relationship. So your person's thoughts about this relationship or about you is quite logical, and there is something that hitting him. So he just think about to be cut and clear, to talk with you directly, and he is planning to come towards you to talk, to discuss whatever he has issues in this relationship. Okay, so this can be little conflicting, this can be little revolutionary, this can be little unemotional or forceful, but I must say whatever this person will say you, that would be the honest truth. Okay, the honest and truth things, whatever he will told you, believe on that his words. Okay, so his intention is coming towards you. He is deciding to coming towards you, to talk to you, to clear the things, to solve the issues, whatever he have the issues or problems. He just want to clear it, he just want to solve it, he just want to tell it. Okay, so he would come towards you. There is the communication that is coming. Okay, so his action is about to understand this relationship, to grow this relationship. It might be he is using somebody in that relationship, might be this person is from your career side, your socialized phase of life, but I'm seeing that this person is in your is actually in your connection, and he is trying to learn about that relationship. He want to grow, and he is practically doing something with you in that relationship. And I'm seeing that you and this person is collaborating, but collaboration made by a third person, or multiple people or multiple groups involved in that collaboration. Teamwork is required in that relationship, but this person is emotionally dissatisfied, not fulfilled. Okay, so does your person wants you, or he loves you or not? So I must say this person has a lot of acknowledgement about you. He's literally thinking about you, meditating a lot about you, and he is planning something about you. You are in his mind, but I'm not seeing you that you are in his heart, because his feeling is like that he is rejected by somebody, or he is not getting the things that he want or he deserved. So to some extent I must say this person likes you, but not loves you. Okay, so I can say like this. So this person is little logical right now. His feelings, his thoughts, his intentions are talking about the logics, practicality. So he is thinking or planning about something in this relationship, but I'm seeing clear communication can be happening or already is going on. So he is not happy with the current situation. He's feeling sad. Okay, whatever he wants, there is nothing like that, but I'm seeing the travel is there. This person can come towards you. He want to grow, he want to collaborate with you, he want to have a connection with you. This is superb that he is not hopeless yet. So what your angels speaking to you: prosperity, a gift of money is on its way, your income is increasing, manage your finances with love. So probably you may get some gifts or some rewards from that person, or probably universe is helping you with the devoted or with a rich kind of a person, or maybe with the love, with the connection, your the person's luck make a person's energy change your luck, or you may get prosperity, or maybe you get some blissful things in your life materialized you will be, or any other energies that will come towards you regardless of prosperity, or like money, regardless of money, maybe some other sources, other valuable things will come into your life that would be very precious or more than precious than money for you. Okay, so compassion, be gentle with yourself, forgiveness will set you free, see the light in yourself and others. So love and beauty, share your love, share your compassion, your kindness with others, definitely with the forgiveness. If this person speak some furious words or harsh words, or can hurts you, or can be unemotional with you, but if you be kind or soft spoken or gentle, there can be the situation changed. Of course you can change the situation, relationship status, by your beautiful and sweet kind words and your compassion. Okay, so your angel's message is passion, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. So there is the need to erase passions, there is the need to raise some attraction in this connection if you want to be in that connection, because your person is feeling little bored. Your person actually want to be collaborate, want to be with you, want to grow in that relationship. He thinks that there is the space to fill that room more, but he thinking a lot about you, but he is quite logical. He doesn't get emotional satisfaction. Okay, but passions is there also. I'm seeing that there is some passions in your person. Hope this reading makes sense. Wish you all the best, guys. Please do subscribe, share and like the channel. We will meet again in another exciting reading. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye bye. Okay, people who picked brooch number 3 or pile number 3, the silver brooch, this is your energy reading, guys. How are you? I hope you are all doing very well. Let's see your angel message. Soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate. This is very lovely energy. So expansion, wow, there is the room to be together. Received, look at this. That's what I'm telling you, guys. Let's see. The forest lord, very responsible person. The enchanter's wheel, changes is coming. Temperance, very important energy, very strong energy, significant energies here. Ace of Challenges, wow, this is very beautiful. Two of Wands. So I must say, guys, your person's first of all, here is Aries sign, very important. There is Sagittarius sign is very important, and there is Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, and there is Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn. Okay, so there is the Wheel of Fortune. It's probably, I guess, I just forgot. This is the Jupiter energy. Of course, this is also the Sagittarius energy. Yes. So Sagittarius, Aries energy is very important, very strong, as well as there is Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, and Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn. Regardless of any gender, any zodiac sign, this can be your person's energy reading. So let's see. Your person's feelings for you is literally very responsible. He feel responsible. He feel very protective, very dominating. So hardly expressive, but he feel very masculine, very strong, and very controlling. So that kind of feelings for him, but feeling of like a very pampered, protective, so but dominating as well. So this person hardly speaks to you, maybe because of hurts or because of responsibilities, because of many other things that involved in his purities. That's why. But he want to take care of yourself. So his thoughts and his intention is quite different. His thoughts is changing and changing. There is changes coming into his thoughts about you, about this relationship. This might be very blissful changes. If he was in the past was not very good in his actions or in his thoughts, now it seems like quite changes is good changes is coming. If he was very good, now bad changes is coming. But I'm seeing that good changes definitely is coming, because wheel is reversing. So it seems like good changes developing into his mind. Okay, things is changing, coming into his mind, and he is going to take changes in this relationship. So coming a twist in this relationship, of course. So this person's intentions is also very good. He don't want to make a push. He don't want to pressurize you. He don't want to pull you. He just want to collaborate. He just want to yin yang, create a yin yang connection, make a moderator himself, and want to be peaceful with you, and want to make a beautiful blend with you. Okay, so it's like I'm balancing himself in that connection with you. So his intentions is not pressurizing. He feels very responsible and very good, and he definitely communicate with you. He has some ideas in his mind. He has some clarity in his mind. So he want to talk, he want to discuss, he want to sign a bond with you, or he want to discuss his realization, whatever he feels, he thoughts, and believe whatever he speaks, he will speak the truths. Okay, so believe on his words. So do he loves you or not? I'm not seeing that he loves you. I'm seeing that he is juggling, and he is little confused. Maybe he is pulling apart between two things, a twin flame and soulmate connections. Maybe there is somebody else, and there is other purities as well. So there is burdens. So he is not completely with you, and definitely there is something else very important for him. So he is not letting himself to be in loves. Okay, so I can't say this is the love, but I can say that this can be developed into the love. Okay, if you make it balanced, if you make it prosperous, happy, you may give him good energies. Definitely there is the room to expand this relationship. Okay, so this person is making some confusions, or having some confusion in this relationship. So it's up to you that how you manifest it and how you create the room for the love. Okay, because because your angel says expansion. Spread your wings and soar. Share your message and shine your light. Show the world what you are made of. So it seems like show yourself, express yourself with that person, that his changes can be positive if you share yourself, if you if you express your ideas, your thoughts, your feelings, your romance with that person. Okay, it's because there is the room to be expand, there is the room to flourish, to grow in that relationship. This person is going to be changed, and this person is not pressurizing and making a balanced connection or want a balanced connection with you if you accept him. Yeah, that's the reason as well. Receiving, be open to receive goodness. Believe you are worthy of abundance. A gift is coming to you soon. So definitely this person coming towards you because there is ace of challenges. So he is he want to communicate, and something, some messages, some words, something, some invitations or some proposal will coming towards you. He will express himself towards to you. So get ready for getting for receiving something very blissful, and let him in. Okay, let him in, let him speak. Definitely you receive something very positive from him. Okay, so soulmate is your angel's message. Yes, this is your soulmate. So this is your soulmate, this can be your soulmate. I'm not saying that this relationship is expanding much, expanded is was not expanded much, but there is the room to expand, there is the room to be flourished, to be grow in that relationship, to create this relationship as a soulmate, twin flame, or true love partner. Okay, so that kind of energy I'm seeing here. This person might be juggling because of his financial problems or some other kind of sources, or he have some other issues in his life. But if you give him some space or let him in or express your insight or your emotions, definitely this relationship will grow into the soulmate connection. So then there would be the true love you will meet. Okay, hope this reading makes sense, guys. Wish you all the best. Please do subscribe, share and like the channel. We will meet again in another exciting reading. Till then, love you all. Take care. Bye bye.